Bible prayer videos are one of the most underrated niches on YouTube right now, and I'm going to show you exactly how to create them if you with zero experience. Okay, this is the first thing you're going to do. You're going to copy this prompt. This particular video, we're going to be using two simple prompts. So you copy the first prompt. This is the first prompt. So if you need this prompt, send me a message the comment section, and I will drop the prompt within the comment section. Just tell me I need prompt in the comment section, and I will reply you with the prompt. So you go to your AI assistant, any of your AI assistant. You're going to be using cloud. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Perplexity, any AI assistant you use, but I prefer using cloud for some personal reasons. So you paste the prompt. So you can say generate. You can see this prompt reads generate a 10-point Christian prayer for success. Make it very inspirational and quote verses in the Bible to back up the prayer points. Each prayer point should focus on different areas of success that any human can ever need. So this is just it. Okay, let's make it smaller. Let's say generate a 5 point Christian prayer. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, you can see opening declaration. The first prayer point, success in purpose and divine direction. Okay, prayer point 2, success in wisdom, knowledge. Okay, prayer point 3. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is to copy the second prompt and paste in that particular place you pasted the first prompt. So the second prompt reads develop each prayer point into a 2-paragraph prayer. Ensure each prayer is up to 200 words to make the prayer session extended and meaningful. Let the prayers be deeply spiritual and include Bible verses to support each prayer section. So we send this. So you can see prayer point 1, success in purpose and divine direction. So this is the paragraph 2. Prayer point 2, paragraph 1, paragraph 2. Prayer point 3, paragraph 1, paragraph 2. Okay, so let's use prayer point 1. Prayer point 1. From here, you copy this. Copy it. Stop at paragraph 1. Copy it. You are going to paste it in any text-to-speech application you have. Text-to-speech, I mean any application that can change this written text to speech or to voiceovers. So we're going to copy this paragraph 1. I'll be using Speech Central. I don't know anyone you'll be using. So we type, paste it here. We'll copy paragraph 2 as well. Copy it too as well and still paste here at the bottom. So this comprises the paragraph 1, paragraph 2 of the prayers, the prayer session. You can decide to remove the paragraph. You can decide to tell the AI assistant you're using, whether ChatGPT or cloud, not to include paragraph. So why you can see paragraph 1, paragraph 2 in this particular one is because it's in my prompt that I gave to it. So what you do now is to click add. I'm using speech central, so my text to speech is ready. You can see it here.
Heavenly Father, God of all wisdom and perfect counsel, I come before you today with a heart that is hungry for divine direction. Lord, I acknowledge that without you, my best plans are nothing more than empty ambitions built
So you can see it here. So what I'm going to do
on
here,
shifting sand.
what I'm
I
going to
surrender
do here
every
now,
personal agenda, every selfish pursuit, and every man-made blueprint.
you can see it here. So it's ready. So what I'm going to do here now is to export it. Export to file. So we export to file, so you can use it from the file. Perfect. So in the file here, we're going to change the name. What's the name of the prayer point again? Prayer point 1, success in purpose and divine direction. Let me copy it and name it and name the file. Okay. Copy. So I'm going to name the file. Okay, let's just leave it like this. Just save it that way and leave it. So it's saved in the file already. So the next thing we're going to do is to go to Pixabay. This app, Pixabay. Okay guys, Pixabay is an app where you can download videos, photos and music for free. And these videos, photos and pictures, it doesn't have copyright. So you can download music here that doesn't have copyright and use it in your content. You can download pictures that doesn't have copyright and use in your content. So you can decide whether to download nature, flower, background. You can see all of them. So let's click flowers. I love flowers. Okay, but flowers will be perfect for this. Okay, so let's say nature. Let's see what nature brings. Okay, yeah, nature will be perfect for this. Okay, let's download the first one that have the rainbow color. Click the download. It downloaded. Download finish. Download the second one. Let's download the second one. Once you finish down, you can see the bottom download finished. So okay, let's download this one, this third one. You can still download videos if you want to use videos. Okay, download finish. Let's download the last one, download the fourth one. Okay, perfect. So we have 4 pictures downloaded already. So let's go to our video editor. We're going to be using InShot as the video editor. So can you decide to use CapCut and any other video editor you want? I prefer using InShot for some personal reasons. So you click new. So you click photos. You can see those photos we downloaded. You select them. Select. So these are the pictures it have added to our InShot. Then click audio here, click music. Okay, click imported here at the top right. Then once you click imported, then click at the top import music. Click this arrow that is bending, then click your file. Then you can see Heavenly Father. That is the last the the voiceover we got from the prayers when we turned it from text to voice. So you click it, click OK, and add it here.
Heavenly Father, God of all
So this
wisdom
is
and
it.
perfect counsel, I come before you today with a heart that is hungry for divine direction. Lord, I acknowledge that without you, my best plans.
So you add it here, so we can play it.
Heavenly Father, God of all wisdom and perfect counsel, I come before you today with a heart that is hungry for divine direction. Lord, I acknowledge that without you, my best plans are nothing more than empty
So you can
ambitions
see, so as the voiceover, the speech we got from the text is reading, the pictures will be changing.
Heavenly Father, God of all wisdom and
can
perfect
see it
counsel,
here.
I come before you today with a heart that is hungry for divine direction.
So
Lord,
this is
I
how it
acknowledge
works.
that
So
without
you
you,
can
my best
decide to
plans are
add
nothing more than
pictures,
empty
you can
ambitions
decide to
built on
make the
shifting
videos
sand.
longer, you
I
can decide
surrender
to
every
make the
personal
pictures
agenda,
longer
every self.
by extending it. You can decide to change, you can decide to delete any of the pictures. So this is just it, as simple as this. So you click the arrow pointing at the top, the arrow at the top that is pointing up, you click it to save it to your phone. It's saving already. Yeah, saved. So let's go to my gallery and see it. This is it.
Heavenly Father, God of all wisdom and perfect counsel,
can see
I
it
come
here, it's
before you
playing
today
here.
with a heart that is hungry for divine
see the
direction.
picture changing.
Lord, I acknowledge that without you, my best plans are nothing more than.
So this is just how to do it. From here you can upload it to your YouTube channel or to your Facebook, any platform you want to upload it, but preferably YouTube. So if you have problems on how to edit it, send me a message on the comment section and I'm going to assist you. It's as simple as this. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, because you're going to be dropping more videos, more tutorials, the videos you need in your daily day-to-day activities. So subscribe to the channel and wait for the next video. Thank you.